which constitutes 15% of all accidents. Over 50,000 such accidents happen daily all over the world. Slip, trip and fall are the most common and neglected accidents at workplace. Although there is a common misconception that slip, trip and fall injuries just happen, being a little careful, such mishaps may be prevented. Many wonder how to avoid such mishaps. In this video you will see some similar situations and will also guide you how to avoid such incident. One fine office day. Split liquid on floor can ruin your day. Such slip incidents are it makes you look geeky. You might think it's uncomfortable. Or, you may also think it won't happen to me. Drivers and passengers are often under the impression that they don't need to wear seatbelt. About 2.2 million drivers worldwide suffer severe injuries and sometimes death for not wearing seatbelts while driving. Wearing seatbelt in the front seat saves over 2,200.
While moving in the canteen, follow the floor mark. Canteen is also enabled with ample amount of sanitizer. Inside an office canteen or cafeteria, crowd is expected. But not anymore. From now, water vending machines will not be in canteen anymore. Workers will be provided with bottles of mineral water. Staffs and management executives, who have their own desks, are requested to have food at their desks only. This new rule has been made to
You know how to evacuate a workplace if an emergency situation suddenly takes place. However, now the time is different when we are all concentrating in keeping a safe distance from COVID-19. This is why you need to follow some new safety norms during an emergency situation. Let's get started. First of all, an office authority must enlarge its assembly point to ensure proper gaps between people. The area is if an employee forgets to carry his face mask or handkerchief with him while getting out and feels compelled to sneeze or cough, he should use his elbow to cover his nose and mouth. During the evacuation,
The following will be carried out prior to entry of truck into premises: temperature sensing and hand sanitization of driver and helper. 3-ply mask to be provided to driver and helper, even if they have their own masks. External sanitization of truck. All drivers and helpers to maintain social distancing at rest/designated seating area. Necessary arrangements for same to be done with seating spaces 6 feet apart. Rest seating area to be preferably in a separate location and not close to warehouse, office place. Face mask mandatory for the complete time the driver and helper are in our premises. Allow driver and helper to.
Do you own a business and are trying hard for its promotion? Stop worrying. Give your business the best digital presence through an awesome whiteboard explainer video.
Charles Duhigg, Best Teams. It didn't take Audible long before it too made a whiteboard video. Duhigg uses Lauren Michaels as an example of someone who created a great team by creating psychological safety between his team members. This video does an excellent job of demonstrating Duhigg's points through the magic of whiteboard animation. Number 9. Red Bull's Whiteboard Series. Red Bull has been making whiteboard animations for years. Artists need Red Bull fuel every day, and what better way to reach them than through quirky characters and funny plot twists.
Looking for an effective tool to beat your competition and take your business to a new level? You need a professionally done animated whiteboard video. Videos are attracting viewers more than any other means of marketing, and research and stats confirm the same.